dark green group. This is sort 35. For your patterns today, you will need 4 different colors. You have 3 main patterns and then an oddball. So go ahead and grab 4 colors. All of your words this week end with the T sound, but they're all made differently. So we have different endings to our words, the final syllable, the final piece of your word. So go ahead and grab your first color. We're going to start with the ending of ET, et. And I hear that in jacket, jacket. I also hear it in secret. I also see it, let's see, over here in target and racket, like if I was playing tennis with a racket. I hear it in comet and closet and magnet. I hear the T. And I also see it in quiet, has an IET, rocket. That should be one that you definitely should know how to spell. All right, let's see. I think that's it for ETs making the T sound. Jacket, secret, target, racket, comet, closet, magnet, quiet, and rocket. Go ahead and change colors. And let's move over to the IT, again, making the T sound. Edit. We know how to edit in our writing. Edit. Unit. We need to make sure that we have a unit when we're doing math. Credit. You've heard credit, like a credit card. Limit. You can see a speed limit, or what's the limit? Bandit. Bandit, that's like a person, like a robber or someone. Bandit. Or a merit. That's like if you do something good, you earn a merit badge. Come on over to this side. Orbit. When I think about the Earth orbits around the sun, it goes around the sun. Summit, that's another name for like a mountain peak. If you summit or go to the top of the mountain, go to the summit. And habit, do you have a good habit or a bad habit? So we have ITs, makes the T sound as well. Go ahead and change your color again. Let's go over to ATE, which also makes the T sound at the end. We have climate. The climate of Indiana is cold, snowy winters and hot, humid summers. Climate, private. Make sure that you are private and keep your spelling test private. Pirate. Ooh, be careful between private and pirate. They're very similar, but private has a V. Pirate has IR. It starts that way. And we have Senate. When we think of our 3 branches of the government, we have Senate is in the legislative branch, and it helps to make laws. Senate. All right, not so many ATEs, but those all end with ATEs. Okay, go ahead and change your color because now we have our oddballs. You do have some words that end with an ET, like our first pattern, but they do not say the sound T. They actually have a different sound. This is the first one over here. It ends with an ET, but we don't call it ballet. We call it ballet. This is another one down here. We don't call this buffet. We call it a buffet. The reason is that these 2 words, ballet and buffet, we say it kind of like a Y instead, come from French. So that's the French coming out in how to say both those words. Okay, dark green group, make sure you take a picture of this and make sure you study. Good luck.